Yay! I made it back to New York. Hi, I'm Emily. Welcome to the vlog. I just finished rehearsals in LA for a Coco Melon tour that I'm going on, and we have a week off, so I'm back here in New York, and then I leave for Atlanta, Georgia on Tuesday, and it is currently Friday. I have a lot to do. I worked yesterday. I came back Wednesday. I got back here at like 9 p.m. on Wednesday, and then I worked yesterday, working today, I'm working Saturday and Sunday, and then Monday, who knows? I guess getting my life together and packing for tour. Oh, and I'm also taking a really fun dance class on Monday, so I figured I would bring you with me on my little week at home in New York City, my last week for a while. Right, Twinkle? She does not want to be picked up. Anyway, I'm running a little late. I'm gonna go to work. My work that I do for like a theater company, and we have shows this weekend for the kids, so I have to go make some sets, make some props. Oh, there she is. Hi, baby. Hi. Last night, me and my friend Amanda, who is going on tour with me, we saw Once Upon a One More Time, Britney Spears musical, and it was so good. 10 out of 10 just for the choreography alone. It was insane. It was so good. So feeling good.
Hi, baby. Hello. Good big stretch. Oh, that's baseball. Very good. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Oh, don't look at it. Hello, long time no talk. I'm currently en route to go to my friend Gary's birthday party. This is the fit. This week has been crazy. I'll talk to you soon. I hate vlogging here. Okay, bye. I picked up Alexis, or Alexis picks me up. We're at the ferry. So Alexis and I made it on Staten Island. We're here because, like I said before, we're celebrating my friend Gary's birthday. We're picking up General Tso's tofu that we used to eat in college, and we went to college on Staten Island. So we're here to pick it up, and then we're gonna go right back to his apartment because we're good friends like that. Mission accomplished. We got this. This is so heavy. Twinkles.
Hello. I am so tired. I have had a long week so far. Obviously, I got home, been hanging out with friends, I've been working, and I feel like this is the first time I can like take a second to breathe. I worked this morning, but then I came back at around 3, and then me and Matt went out to eat at I forget what it's, the Barking Dog on the Upper East Side, and Twinkle was allowed to like eat inside with us, and she even got her own plate of bacon. I fell asleep, as you can tell, and then now I'm watching the Tonys, and I'm starting to pack a little bit. Got my suitcases laid out, I've got some packing cubes, all that good stuff. Gonna start packing my life away for the next 4 months. Let's go. Who do you think is going to win for the Tony, Matt?
It'd be really nice if Tony won the Tony.
Hello! It's the next day. It's about 2 o'clock. I still look like I just rolled out of bed. I got a lot of packing done last night and just now. I packed up like all my toiletries, all that kind of stuff. And then I packed my big suitcase with like most of the clothes I'm gonna bring. I'm doing a load of laundry right now. Once that's done, I'm gonna put all that laundry, which was basically like the past weekend plus 2 days, 4-ish days, is gonna go on my carry-on as like backup clothes in case my luggage gets lost or something. I don't know. And then I should be pretty much all set to go. I leave tomorrow and I'm gonna miss my little twinkle. As for today, I'm gonna finish packing, maybe go get my nails done. And I have a tap class tonight that I signed up for months ago that I just so happened I'm in town to take. So that, I'm glad that worked out. I forget when I put my laundry in, but I think it's time to go get it. So I'm gonna go do that now and carry on with our day.